The South African government is employing foreign nationals, including the military itself. There is a Ghanaian national that is working as a chief financial officer at the military. And the military issued a statement defending that decision, saying that the person came to South Africa in 1991, and the person became naturalized in 1999, and the person is now a South African, and that person has experience because the person has worked at Auditor General, and now the person is the chief financial officer at the military, in charge of the financial affairs of the military of South Africa. Over and above that, the South African government is admitted to have employed more than 6,000 foreign nationals currently. Whereas we have more than 40% of South Africans sitting at home unemployed, and your own government employing foreign nationals over you. And people would rather be angry at me when I'm telling them that your government is preferring foreign nationals over you, for the fact that the state can have more than 6,000 people employed who are not South Africans. The state itself. We're not even talking about the private sector, the state itself. You mean that the state cannot find skilled, capable South Africans who can occupy those positions? That's your government. And the evidence is here in front of you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangibhode u-expose i-government kokuthi kahle kahle bantu labaqasha ma-foreigners lana i-government yithi yala Mzansi uthi kwayona i-government ngiyo leqasha ama-foreigners uthi imanjini i-chief financial officer ye-military yala South Africa yaseGhana but iqashwe kuphi la South Africa njani kanjani are they trying to say ukuthi awekho ama-South Africans lebe wangavala leso space leso? It's that what they are trying to tell us ukuthi bekuze kufanele ukuthi vele kuyolandzwa umuntu waseGhana. Guys, it's so strange lento yokuthi bantu they are unemployed, most people ma-South Africans they are unemployed, abanamisebenzi bayakhala bahlele emakhaya, yet kunenqwaba ima-foreigners lasebenza kula South Africa who are not South Africans. Bavale tikhundla tabo bani tema-South Africans la bekumele ngabe kungena khona ma-South Africans kusebenza abantu bokuqhamuka. I-government yethu ngiyo kwayona lena inkinga. I-government yethu ngiyo lesicekela phansi then uRamaphosa uToma asitshele ukuthi kungani bantu abaningi bala South Africa bahlupheka, knowing very well ukuthi kungani. Siyohlala njani singahlupheki singaqashwa? Siyohlala njani singahlupheki singanamisebenzi? Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.